The best way to house hack and save on your monthly expenses is to get a home that has a legal basement apartment. And that is exactly what this home offers. It has a 3-bedroom legal basement apartment. The house itself is over 3,500 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms upstairs and 3 bedrooms in the basement. The kind of rental income you can get here is probably close to like $2,000 a month. And that goes a long way in making this type of home more affordable. This is in a prime pocket of Mississauga. I'm excited to show you guys, so might as well just get right into it. So you have a 2-car garage. It's an all brick exterior like most. Look at the size of this driveway. You could fit 1, 2, 3 cars easily, and then if you want to stick one all the way up to the front door, you can stick another one there. Let's check this out. So a home like this, you could probably get about $2,000 a month from rental income, which again, as mentioned earlier, goes a long way. All right. So as soon as you walk in, you can tell that they've renovated the whole house. You have your living and dining on this side. You have your office or den space right here. They did pot lights throughout this home. Look at the staircase. I like the 2-tone staircase over there. Let me just show you guys the powder room, which is over here. Even that has been updated, and it even has a shower, which you don't see very often in the powder room. And then your sink is right there. I was wondering where the sink was. Let's look at this living and dining. They did accent walls. You got pretty decent natural light coming in here. And here you could grasp the size of how big this living and dining area actually is. Let's keep it moving. They did these tile floors in the common area, like the hallway and throughout the kitchen. And the kitchen, I actually like the 2-tone. It's dark gray. I'm not sure if it's showing up black, but it's dark gray. 2-tone kitchen. You have a huge center island, massive stainless steel fridge, built-in oven and microwave, and then the 5-burner stove. And I'll show you the backyard here. You can see it. I mean, you got some mature trees, which I like. It can use some landscaping, but I really adore the mature trees. And you can kind of see the separate entrance from here. Now, I'll show you guys the family room, which is being overlooked from the kitchen. So, I mean, it could give a good family gathering vibe here, I would say, because of the open concept. You have the TV accent wall over there. Let me just show you guys like this, right? It overlooks the kitchen overlooks the family room. Again, this house is about 3,500 square feet. And then the upstairs, which I'm going to show you just now. My favorite thing about the upstairs is actually not the primary room, it's the front end bedroom. I guess you call it the 4th room or whatever. Doesn't really matter what number that room is. But it's like a sunken bedroom. And I love sunken family rooms. But this is like a sunken bedroom. It's just one step, but it gives it a nice vibe. So we'll start here with the primary room. You got windows all the way in the back throughout the whole wall. It actually has 2 walk-in closets. So there's one closet here, and then there's another closet on this side where the light's off, unfortunately. And then you have a 5-piece ensuite. Big stand-up shower. You got a nice soaker tub. Check it out. And then, I know you're all waiting for the 3-bedroom basement apartment to see your rental income. I'm getting there. 1 bedroom with its own full ensuite, walk-in closet. And then you have another bedroom over here. So this would be, I guess, your 3rd bedroom. You can see that there. And then this has the Jack and Jill washroom. So it's shared with my favorite room, which I will show you, is this front room. This is my favorite room of the house. And here I can show you, that's the 1 step it goes down. So with kids, you gotta be careful, because I know I have 3 kids and I'm sure that they'd be falling down on that step quite often, but if you're an adult, then it's not an issue. And this is actually a good size. It's the width of basically the whole garage, because you're on top of the garage here. It's a street view. You got a good natural light coming in here. And now let me show you my favorite part, which is the 3-bedroom basement apartment. It's almost like free money if you rent out your basement, and it's legal, so you won't really have any issues with neighbors or the city. It's a legal, registered 3-bedroom basement apartment, and it's pretty much the same size as this main level, so there's no shortage of space, and this can easily get rented. Somebody can hop on this right away. All right, so we come down these steps. So first, I want to show you guys the living space. Look at this. That's like your living room, family room, dining room. It's huge. All right, and then this is 1 bedroom here. Then you have another room here. And these are the stairs that go upstairs where I just came down. You got the big windows because it is a legal basement, so that's something that you have to do. when you are legalizing a basement, that it has to be a certain size of the windows. Your third bedroom for the basement is here. I mean, all the rooms are really good sizes, and this is your full washroom. I guess you can call this your dining area if you want, but here's the kitchen. Also totally renovated. I mean, it has the white appliances, no big deal. I wouldn't bother changing it to stainless steel, but if you want, you could, and this is your separate entrance from the backyard. So nowadays, with things not being as affordable as, you know, we would hope, buying a home with a legal basement apartment is one of the smartest things that you can do if you don't need that extra space in the basement. Now, these homes are a little bit more expensive. This one is listed at 1.99 million. You'll see the whole description of the property below. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more property tours and more information and stuff about real estate. Let me know what you guys want to learn, and I will get to it. I will go through it one by one and answer all of your questions. And drop a comment below, and I'll see you next time.